Hey, we are live. Good morning. Good morning. Looks like I need to get my fireplace going. It's a little cold in here. Raphael, good morning. And Chris, good morning. There he is. Hi, Angia. Good morning. Hey, Peter is in the house. Good morning. Like drop from Mr. Peter Hartman. What a lucky crazy green day. I got my second crazy short today. Nice. And you're holding the last two still. Wow. Really? Did you? I guess you didn't sleep at all then, Angia? Wow, that thing went down so much last night, hey?
Wow.
Did that thing go down last night or what?
Well, Dave, I am so tempted to just get into a long and let it play out.
Yeah.
I'm not going to, but I'm tempted. So we do have a little bit of a gap here from yesterday's close. It would be closed at 424.
Hey, Puran's in the house. Good morning. Jonathan, good morning. and Skeletor. So I actually set up a long in one of my take profit trader, or sorry, not my top one futures evaluations last night with a 100-point stop, and it got stopped. So I ended up losing 149 on one contract and 208 on the other contract. I had two floating orders.
That's not bad. Is that on your 50Ks?
100K, yeah. 100K accounts. So that one I was up in those accounts, and now it's down 166. So I've kind of like risked my profits in a little bit more. Just I kind of felt like I didn't expect us to have that huge of a move down. I figured we were going to go a bit lower, but I thought like with a 100-point stop, I'd be safe. But I guess not.
That 4 a.m. dump was it was a dump.
Trump tweet or something? I thought what I saw or heard.
I don't know. There was more Iran bombing than apparently the ceasefire is over and done with. And
627
is probably in a bathtub sending messages to reporters accidentally. I honestly don't know anymore. I got nothing for you. Government is literally run by toddlers with head injuries and access to alcohol.
Jesus. There we go. We got the bell here.
Ding, ding, ding. Not as much movement on this opening candle as I thought there would be.
Yeah.
Huh. I was actually expecting quite a bit more than this, but getting very anticlimactic waiting for this this first candle.
Yeah, it's just kind of finding a lot of resistance there at the well, there we go. Starting to get it now. Damn. That's 100 points right there.
Like 100 points.
Trump ended remarks to reporters. The blockade would only apply to Iran. We may put down the blockade on Iran. It may be a big attack. Witkoff could talk with Iran, but I'm just not seeing it. I would hate to strike desaligned plants. Oh, desalination plants, sorry. Oh, we may have to.
I'm sorry. Did you just say that Trump is talking about hitting desalination plants?
Yeah. It says if we have to take out electricity, water plants, but we don't want to. We're not attacking Iran at the highest levels, such as bridges.
I'm not even going to comment on the shit.
Why is the market bullish though? What we got all this stuff happening? Is the oil just going straight up right now? Or is it just bullish because it's the opposite of what most people think is going to happen? I'm scared to buy into this candle. Because if this thing just goes straight back down, that's like 300 points, like just instantly on one micro. Could be pretty devastating.
I mean, if you do, make sure you have a stop loss in it.
Yeah. Tight one. Well, we got back above value area low.
This price action's not making me all that happy.
Mm-hmm. I feel like buying right now is kind of like FOMO for me though, so I don't know if I can't really do it. I'm like holding myself back here. Why the F is everything trying to go up?
Because the market no longer cares about the craziness that is Donald Trump's actions.
It's kind of been desensitized, hasn't it?
It has. Go back 6 months. Every time he posted a tweet, he would market, and NASDAQ would move 300 points in either direction immediately. And now it's a little hiccup. People are becoming desensitized. And since the focus has come off of the economy, the Epstein files, and is now all focused on Iran, I mean, is it really going to have that much of an effect on American markets right now? Doesn't look like it. He's only ended the war 38-ish times so far.
Right?
So it's really sad that I can't tell if you pulled that number out of your ass or if that's an actual number. So just let me know, Chris. Is that a real number or is that just a turd nugget number that you decided to yank out? Stay out of it there. Blackout news. If you're getting destroyed in this shit, don't get into it. It is only 9:38. Opening range hasn't been set yet. And we don't have anything to go on. There's a really small gap. We started off the New York session with a really small gap on NQ anyway. There's no reason to just jump into a long or a short.
Totally. I got in I'm in a plus 15 stop already. Keep going here, guys. Keep going here. I'm not touching this break. I'm going to wait for an opportunity to exit here. If we can get another little pop. I'm out there. I took it at the previous day's VWAP. Nice, 152 Lucid funded accounts there. 155. Yeah. And for some reason, my third account isn't tied up there, isn't connected. I don't get it.
What's that mean?
Like, I thought I attached the third account to this copy trader, but for some reason two times now I traded it and it didn't fire, so I don't know what I did wrong there. Cancel open orders, cancel all orders. Make sure it's all what the heck, man? So that is 4,216. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's on manual submit. No wonder.
That's
why. Manual auto submit, both sides, allow add, market, enabled, save. Okay, there we go. Now it should work. That's a decent way to start it off, though. 150 bucks, 2 accounts.
Sheesh, I flipped long. Done for today. Every single green light crit. I'm done for this week. I don't care. I'm starting my weekend now.
Nice, Angia. It was a really good London session to be up and awake, eh? But look at that move is now completely gone. Blackout, you should have said long. Right, Skeletor? Good job, Angia.
This low down dirty feeling that you're getting.
Well, I'm going to drink my electrolytes and creatine breakfast.
So we have a midnight VWAP and New York VWAP crossover right now.
Trump administration lifts restrictions on OpenAI's GPT. I don't know what restrictions were on there, but that's just the news that just popped out at 40 after.
Who knows? I got nothing.
London session highs is basically 4,629, 416, I guess. Hey, there's Dad. Good morning. How you doing this morning? Dad's in the house.
Good morning, Stuart.
The other dad, because you know Angia's dad's already here.
Yeah. I'm always here.
Too bad POC was already touched. That would could definitely be a target. But at this rate, this could be the next lower high. Well, okay, good. Yeah, Angia. Good morning, Dave's dad. Not to get confused with Angia's dad.
I don't think anybody's going to confuse your dad with me. We don't even look alike.
Trend line. FEG. VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to me. Frank the Great Pyron sleeps by my side like he knows another trade just died. Ralph the Frenchie starts to snore. He's seen this movie all before.
All right, we're getting a deeper pullback here. 320.
I wouldn't get too excited about it if I were you.
No,
Keep your calm.
we tapped into the 29 400s, didn't quite take those orders, and then pulled all the way back down. Wow, 100 points. What the heck, man? There's 100 points right there.
It's getting
Jesus.
ridiculous.
That is crazy.
Trend line. Oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive. If you ain't
What a savage price action this thing does.
the setup always looks obvious. After the screen. One more level. One more trade. One more lesson. One more day. Base hits, not glory. Just another chapter in the story. We're walking down the boulevard.
All right. Well, I think I need to take a little break now because I want to get into a trade.
Every stop lost turned to wisdom over time.
I'll be back in a minute.
Sounds good.
Of broken trend lines. The market opens, the market closes. The candles come, the candles go. Frank keeps watch
Nice scalp there. I just took a long
somewhere.
29 29 313, just got out at 29 366, so 113 in my Lucid Trader funded account, my Lucid Pro account. Lucid Trader funded Pro account. Sorry. Let me say that again.
Another chart.
You're staying out till the 30-minute close. No need to force anything. I'm just patiently waiting for a decent pullback for a long entry. I did want to try to stay in there till we got closer to London highs, but I figured, you know what? I'm not going to be greedy. Let's just take an instant $100. That was like a 1 minute trade, or not even 30 seconds. We got 8 minutes to the hourly candle here.
charts up. Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market.
Looks like we're going for London highs here.
Gold heavy.
Eventually, those 4 orders up at 400 are kind of going to be the roadblock. I mean, lots of resistance at previous day's view up there. That's the blue line. A couple times now we've kind of rejected. We're also in this bearish fair value gap from, I guess, the whatever started the sell-off, whether the Trump tweet or whatever happened. $189 contracts at 29,400. Do we have more above that? I don't really see much above. We have 93 contracts at 500. Definitely finding some resistance here. Bears trying to push us back down. Are the bulls just giving us temporary relief here, or are they? What's going to happen here, guys? What do you think? What are you thinking? So we got 5 minutes to the hourly candle, though, so just be aware, everybody. Probably better to stay out of a trade here until we find out what's going to happen on the new hour. Back to break-even price. As long as the chart doesn't go left. Interesting how the price basically got back to where we were yesterday before that tweet. Just gold heavy, neck gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market but your crew, base hits forever. That's what we do. Trade like adults. All right, another $100 in a Take Profit Pro account. Here we go. On to Top 1 Futures. Stand straight up with no pullback. It might be a bone and Campbell.
All right, I'm back. I had to take a little break off this because not loving it. Not loving it.
Yeah.
But I did secure a very special guest for the 7 a.m. stream tomorrow, or 7:30 stream tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
We're going to have Senior Christensen on first thing in the morning.
Oh, nice. That probably works out good for their schedule because he's got to be on his.
Yep.
Yeah. Nice. That'll be good.
So Michael will be on in the morning.
Cool. Looks like we're going for those 400s now. Are we going to get them or what? Got 150 at 400, 48 at 412, 63 at 420. The orders at 29,500 have gone up a bit. There was about 80 there before. Now there's 113, 115. Good morning, all. Grandpa's back. Hey, Tim. How you doing? Good morning. There was a different name guy named Tim in the chat yesterday. I'm like, did Tim change his name or something? I'm like, this guy seems different. Good to see you, Tim.
This is nuts. Just when I'm thinking I'm gonna be bullish, just drops 20 points.
Yep. I actually bought it, so I'm in drawdown here. I got my stop pretty tight though, so looks like about 150 risk, but we'll see. That 400 level is just being a naughty level.
400 levels being a son of a bitch. Where all that resistance is.
Looks like I might get stopped out here. Getting pretty close. Yep. Yep. Skeletor's gonna wait. Yeah, probably smart idea.
Yeah.
It wasn't a very good entry there.
We're gonna get a 10 o'clock reversal here. What's going on?
Almost looking like it, eh?
You know what, Dave? I love this chop. You just go long at the midpoint in the candle. You deal with the drawdown and close it out when it goes back into profit.
Yeah.
That was total joke.
Right.
You in anything now, Dave?
Thinking about getting into a long here, but
Hey, we're thinking the same way.
kind of not really getting much. The Bears just aren't really taking it anywhere here, so didn't really
Come
like
on
the
now.
start of that candle though.
Hey, I like the start of it, but
Yeah. I mean, the 2 seconds after the start.
no follow through.
Yeah. It's like the Bears just let it go up a bit and then slapped it back down. Still got 109 at 400 and 412, 420. She just doesn't have the momentum at the moment to go anywhere. Not really up or down. Lots of contracts changing hands here, it seems like. Probably best to wait for a pullback to the view up here, the overnight view up. See what happens at that point.
You know, as you say that, now watch, it's going to rocket up. Wait for the pullback, and now it's going to go through the roof.
Mustang trader, late night futures, Discord open, charts blowing, let's go.
Yeah, we're kind of playing around with the New York VWAP. Hey, Blackout News. Or sorry, Skeletor. Hmm. I locked every single account here with y'all. Nice, Andrea. You're in a good place to be right now. Big sell volume while there. 244 contracts.
And I'm getting a little bit ridiculous over here is what this is.
Slippage got you? Well, there's that overnight VWAP.
All right, my short is in.
You have to go soon? My dog seems sick. I have to take her to the veterinarian. Oh, sorry to hear that. That sucks.
That's not good. Yep. That was that 10 a.m. reversal.
Yeah, pushing lower here. Just got below value area low and the overnight VWAP. Orders kind of came off a bit at the 400s, looking darker up there. So I think your short's definitely looking good. Looking like the 300s are now the resistance there on that little bounce. Looking at the book map.
top again.
Switch up these tunes here a bit.
So my 3 micro short is now in profit, up about 150, locked in 50. I'm hoping this doesn't come back up on me and wick me out, but we shall see. I do have a take profit in this time down at 29,000, just in case it wicks down. 262 points doesn't seem like that far to move.
Yeah. Yeah, shorts looking pretty strong there. Seems like the bulls don't have any oomph right now. Where do I get in here if I wanted to get into a short, though, is a question.
What in the literal? Wow.
You got stopped out in the profit there?
Yeah, I took my 50 bucks and now I'm just looking at this chart and wondering
Why
why
the heck-
I'm still sitting here looking at this damn chart.
Why didn't it go down from there? It really should have gone down, right?
That was my thought.
For whatever reason, I guess. I mean, the buyers are there. I guess they had to retest the view up here. Maybe that's all they had to do there, and then now they're going to put you back down. Because it retested the view up there for like what, 5 seconds, and then went back down. Oh, weird. My lights are off. Like, I looked at myself in the camera, and it's like I'm so dark right now. Normally, they automatically turn on when I jump into StreamYard. Now it's so bright. Oh.
I don't even know what to do here. I think I might go back to bed.
Tim said, well, I did it again. Went short on MES. Went to help a customer. TP hit when I got back.
That
Nice.
is a way to do it. We're looking at $280. No, yeah, $280 right now. We've got orders 80 points below us at 29,200.
Yeah, I see that.
That's kind of where I was expecting this to go, but
Yeah.
this price action is just messing with me right now. Made money in my long this morning. Made 50 bucks in a short. And now I'm just kind of wondering what the heck is going on.
Oh, we're trying to take the view off here again.
Now let's see if it happens. Getting another VWAP rejection. We did not fill that gap exactly.
Orders came back on at the 400 area. And the 425 or 420. Jesus, look at that thing. Jesus. FOMC minutes this afternoon might chop until then.
Yeah, that's at, I want to say 2 o'clock.
Oh, geez. Now we're getting bullish.
Yep.
They wanted those orders at 400. They just had to get everybody worried that we weren't going to go higher.
Yeah, apparently.
Hey, Wilson, good morning. Hi, Mustang and Dave, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Not the nicest open so far. That's for sure. Got a little pop. Can't seem to get back above London high. They're trying right now. We'll see.
They're making an effort. That's really what matters, right? Is the effort.
Yeah.
It's not.
Late night future. Leave our habits king. And just dropping schedules right on time.
I think we're going to get up through previous week's value area low.
What is it? Previous week's value area low?
Yeah, it's at 405.
Gotcha. That's probably a pretty key level then. For sure. Oh, I can't stop yawning right now. Jesus. I had trouble falling asleep last night after the stream. Just kind of like laid in bed for extended period of time, just being like, come on, fall asleep, fall asleep.
Need to get yourself some sleepy time tea
Yeah.
and a teddy bear. Just a second. And we're back below VWAP again.
Not a very fun price action here. Nasty.
Still thinking this is coming back up. These wicks do like to get filled here, so
Yeah.
keep looking at that.
Realized I didn't empty my coffee pot from yesterday's coffee, so I had to quickly go dump it.
Ew.
I've done it
Hopefully you
before.
didn't
It's
make
not
a new
that
pot on top of that.
bad. What's that?
Hopefully you didn't make a new pot on top of it.
Well, just like a little bit in the coffee pot, but not. Yeah, I just dumped it all out. So
All right, I am in a, well, 2 micro long here.
nice.
Average price is 329.50. Got my break even plus 2 in.
Beautiful. Jerry Trade says, "Does Sleepy Time tea work? Might try it."
Well, it does have valerian root in it, which is where Valium comes from. So
Interesting. I've been trying to get back into doing some push-ups and sit-ups daily, and now my chest is sore.
it's weird when you're not competing anymore, how your workout plans just kind of slowly dwindle and then turn into nothing.
Oh, pretty strong push down here. Yeah, and ever since I hurt my shoulder in hockey there towards the end of the season, man, I haven't been able to lift because I've been just hoping my shoulder is going to recover. Now it's finally starting to feel better, so I'm like, I got to start, doing some stuff again here, try to re-strengthen it after giving it the break.
A few years ago, I tore my brachioradialis, and that really put a damper on everything for me.
Brachioradialis?
It's the smaller muscle runs along your the side of your bicep.
Oh, okay. Ouch. That sucks.
Yeah, it was not a pleasant experience. I
This
just put
price,
in
man.
another long here. Single micro. A real tight stop loss in.
Trump just tweeted 1028. Maybe we'll do some things that could increase oil price.
That could increase oil prices?
That's what it says. No reaction from the market, or maybe that's why we got that pullback there.
Yeah, it really does care about the American peoples.
Anything or anyone in specific inspiring these workouts, Mr. Butcher? No. Just with age, you just got to keep up exercising, right? So
Yeah, he's gonna keep telling you that. Everybody knows it's Klee.
She's above my pay grade, unfortunately. Initial balance just set there.
The stars, homie.
EIA crude oil inventory is actually 2.996 M, forecast 1.99, previous 3.775. Trump said nobody is able to get Iran uranium except the USA.
Not sure how that is, but all right. Apparently, if you just say it enough times, it's true, right?
Trump asked about the ground troops in Iran. Why would I do that?
The only reason he's saying, why would I do that, is because the dementia kicked in at that point. He forgot that he started a war with Iran. That's my guess.
How about he just goes back to building his damn helicopter pad? As he's building a helicopter pad? Are you talking about what happened? What's happening at the White House?
You know, cage fights in the front lawn, algae in the pool. Half the place is torn down, ripping up the gardens. Sounds like a crack house in a shit neighborhood to me.
Well, I just had this like impulsive feeling to like buy it, and I'm like, absolutely, I don't see any real reason to be buying it right now. I mean, I guess we're kind of holding the overnight view up in the value area, low area, but it's just like, this isn't my trade. You know what I mean? So
yeah, it's
why am I trying to take this trade?
Don't force it.
Yeah. On that note, I'm actually going to use the bathroom. I'll be back here in a couple minutes. Hopefully, we get some sort of movement.
I mean, here's
and if
hoping.
not, like, let's just stay flat, guys.
Just say it was a rhetorical question. Building a granite helicopter pad. Who's paying for that? Oh, taxpayers. That's right. Granite helicopter pad. Great. Yeah, I think Dave's coffee did kick in. He's going to be gone for about 45 minutes. I saw him grab a newspaper on the way out, so. Could this be the down move that we were thinking? Maybe. Apparently not. All right, I got nothing here. I'm not taking any trades. Yep. I would too. And you know I'm not going to mute that for him if it does. Well, I am currently not in a trade. Dave's not in a trade. Anybody in the chat in a trade?
Well, I'm back, and what happened? Nothing.
Some chop, a little bit of up, a little bit of down.
I guess you could be trading the range here, but
telling you, London has been so much easier than New York recently.
Hey, Clee's in the house. Good morning. Good morning. Wayne, how you doing? First green delta, 3 minute.
Clee, we were just talking about you. We all need to start working out again, is the gist of that conversation.
Yeah. I'm actually going to take a two micro long here, see if we can't get back to the view up. It's in an eval, so it's a low, not putting too much pressure on this trade here. If we get down to the previous day low, I'll be for sure getting out of this trade. Previous day low 208. VWAP is at 312. Might just go to break even. Ooh. Could have gone to break even there. Get PMG FRP JERE. No better time to start than today. Just got back from a run myself. Yeah, I was just saying that now that my shoulder's been feeling better, I've been starting to do my daily push-ups and sit-ups as a start. I play lots of pickleball, so I feel like my cardio is pretty decent. 4-hour sessions of pickleball will do that for you. But it's just muscle strengthening here.
Yeah, sorry, Dave. I got nothing here. I can't get into a trade at this level. There's no indication it's going to go up or down. There's a bunch of bullshit on the book map.
My TP is at 299 here. Come on, guys. Just a little pop. Just a little pop.
Oh, my oil long worked out.
Oh, nice.
That's a swing trade, though. Doesn't count. Doesn't count for the stream.
Hmm.
Kind of wish I wouldn't have put a take profit on my oil trade, actually. Looks like I might actually pump higher. Pun intended.
Oil pump?
Yeah, sorry. That was one of the worst jokes I've ever made on a stream.
Maybe if it was a gasoline, it would have been a little bit better, right?
Yeah. Thanks for pointing that out, Dave. You're making me feel much better about myself.
Damn it. Looks like I'm going to probably get a stop out of this push lower here now. Fire's still defending this 5-minute bullish fair value gap, but you'd like a long at 29,180? Uh-oh. That's where my stop is.
Ruh-roh.
I see what's happening here, Clee.
Clee messing with you again.
Yeah. All right, I'm out of that trade. I just closed that trade. I don't want to be in there anymore. This price action is just not good.
Yeah,
and now it's bouncing back up, of course.
Not my idea of a good party.
Jerry said, "Are you a dad, Nick? Maybe you can use that as an excuse." Yes, he is a dad.
Didn't you hear? I'm everybody's dad. Angia, Joanne,
Mike Christensen,
Tom Hartman, possibly Clee.
This guy gets around, you know? All the ladies. He's a ladies' man.
Nah, not quite. All my kids are above 30. It just makes me old. So you said Trump said something about he may do things to make oil prices go up?
Yeah. Well, I think he means like attacking Iran, right?
So since he made that announcement, oil has dropped from 75.78 to 75.17.
Really? They're not believing him, I guess.
Yeah, I honestly think that the market no longer cares. All right. Well, you know what? I'm done.
You done? Yeah.
There's no reason for me to take a single trade in this bullshit price action. We've been chopping around VWAP since the market opened. There's no direction. Hasn't even made it to the deviation bands to deal with any bounces off of those. So I am officially done for the day.
Okay. Well, maybe we'll end the stream a little bit early today. Normally we're here till 11:30. Maybe we can just end it at 11.
Yeah, there's no
try to get people away from the charts, including myself.
Yeah, because I know me and you. And the longer we sit here, the more stupid trades we're going to take out of some weird need to be in a trade or boredom or whatever it is. Some psychological misgivings that we have. So let's just call it quits. At least that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
Senor, I will see you tomorrow.
Okay, Nick, thanks.
Bright and early. And yeah, I got to send Mike Christensen an invite. So tomorrow, pre-market, Mike Christensen's going to be on.
That's going to be pretty cool.
The man pad, going to show us how to set it up, how to use it, all of that jazz. And yeah, so if you're interested in it at all, and just so you know, Mike Christensen, if you want to hear like what an actual quant trader thinks of the market, he's a good one to watch.
What's quant trader again? Refresh my memory.
He is a
quantitative analysis or something.
Yeah, it's linear algebra, statistics, and financial strategies. He is actually really, really good at it. And another one of my kids, apparently. So
there you go. It's always good. It's not a bad thing to have extra kids.
I just want someone to take care of me when I'm old and decrepit.
No doubt.
All right, Doc. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, see ya. Ingli Sai, you're looking forward to tomorrow's pre-market. Nice. Yes. Yeah, if you haven't seen Mike Christensen before, he's from Traders Post. You can see the little calculator looking thing behind my picture there. That's his programming. So and we're bouncing back up here. We're going to go retest the VWAP. I have no idea what's going on in this market this morning, guys. Right? Like all the way down to initial balance low. Kind of recovered initial balance low. Now, are we going to get a bounce out of this, or are they just, temporarily sending it back up? So this was an inverted fair value gap, right? From yeah, so that was a 1 hour bullish, and then we got a closure below it, and we got a closure above it. I don't even know why I have this on here anymore. It's no longer a valid level. This bearish fair value gap has been the pain and the nemesis of the morning here. Right back to the VWAP there. Tap the overnight and the New York. Jesus. You're calling it also, Chris? All right, bro. Your long is paying. Nice job, Clee. Yeah, exactly. You got in the enter where my stop was. I actually added one more contract. I re-entered and I got out. So I'm up $100 in that account now after again. So I've taken a loss in that account and then got it back, and taken a loss and got it back. But I closed that way too early. This should have held this longer. maybe we can wait for a retest of the IB low here and see if we find some support potentially to get into a into a long here. Still have 146 contracts there, up at 400. Let's take a look at the big contracts here. $29,500 had some contracts above actually. Woo! You sold too early. 223 had 20 micros. Wow, nice trade. Well, don't be upset about that. That's still a beautiful trade, right? Because what's that? 60 points or something? 180. Oh, 180. Sorry. So 40 points. I mean, I don't blame you. You're pretty heavy on that trade. So it's good to take profits. Take the risk off the table. Nice, 1720. Woo! Beautiful. There you go. Nice trades. U.S. military ready to restart blockade if Iran if ordered to. Failed auction at the IB low there, in my opinion. We pushed below it, bounced back up. Although I think you're supposed to wait for the 30-minute candle closure. So we still have 2 minutes here. So as long as we hold above the IB low here before this to the end of this candle here, and looks like they're gonna they're gonna take it back below, possibly. Clee's on fire. Good job. 1 minute left here on this candle. They really need to close it up. If this is going to be a failed auction, they need to get it up to like 220s or something. Just make sure we're above the IB low there with a little bit of price, a little bit of distance. 47 seconds. Looks like the buyers are trying to defend the IB low right now. Now, if we get a closure below it, that's not ideal for failed auction on the IB low. $22 seconds here. We got a couple sell volume balls popping up on the chart here. 180 contracts, 222. Positive CVD at the moment, which is kind of interesting. There we go. We did close above it. So are the buyers going to be in charge here, holding this initial balance low? Greenland Prime Minister, Greenland is not for sale. Our territory integrity, international law, and our right to self-determination must be respected. Isn't there a lot of Iran news this morning? Not a fan of trading during that. Yeah, exactly. It's probably not a bad idea to just stay flat, right? Considering all that. Russia Deputy PM Novak, some Russian refineries have been damaged in attacks. Gasoline production has been cut. Ooh. Sitting here on the 200 level. Russia's Deputy PM Novak, Russia is introduced a diesel export ban. Sheesh. This market looks to me like a retest of Globex lows before the end of the day. Could be, it could be. It is looking pretty heavy at the moment, isn't it? Just as I said that, it started to pop up a bit. A bit. What's gonna happen here, guys? It's just like stuck at this IB low level. Looks like the sellers are gonna win though, to be honest. Yeah, there we go. I don't know about you guys, but I'm just not feeling like any trades are worthwhile in this market. This IB low is a pretty key area. Like if we are going to hold this is kind of like should be the area. But it seems like we have more room back down to the bottom, to the downside, you know? Been selling rips since 9:45 a.m. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, I could see how I could see how that's been working, right? Like all these wicks on the top side here could have been paying nicely. Oh. Finally getting into my first coffee here. And we're pumping a bit, but again, where's this gonna go? Where is this gonna go? If anywhere. I'd like to see it test 29,230 for a short entry. It almost got there on that last little pop, eh? Only got up to 23 there. Can't seem to break these lows though. Initial balance sort of holding. Maybe we're gonna have to wait for another 30-minute closure here to know if IB is gonna hold. Oh my god. Oh my god. Russia's Deputy PM Novak, we have capped commodity exchange fuel prices. Huh. We do have a bullish fair value gap down at 29,145. I'm wondering if that's going to sort of be the target here. We got 150 has 99 contracts, and 29,175 has 92 contracts. Didn't quite get to the 30s there again, hey? Only the 25. 25 and 26 on the last two 5-minute candles here. This market's gonna put me to sleep. So sleepy here. Sleepy time tea on the charts. There we go. Starting to get a push lower here, down to the 150s. And no follow through though, guys. What the heck, man? Okay, I don't know. I think we need to just wrap it up here. I don't know about you guys, but it's like it wants to go down, it wants to go up. It's just not doing nothing at the moment. So you know what? I'm gonna just get away to the chart because before I get sucked into something that I shouldn't be trading, right? This is rough. Like, let's get back to the Asia session and try to make some money because that seems like the place to be to make the money, guys. Oh my god. All right, guys. So let's wrap up the stream now. A little bit early today, about 15 minutes or I could just risk it all right now. Just go short. Just go short. Let's just ride it down all the way to downtown. Could risk it all. You could. I could. Not going to, though. HS sessions are less stressful. Market only moves 1/4 as much per minute. Yeah, and, you know, like, it's been pretty clean lately. Like the moves have been sort of like, you know, they just constantly going up and then they find a reversal and they go back down and then they go back up. It's like pretty calm, pretty calm. Well, anyways, guys, I do need to just wrap it up here just to get away from the charts. So thanks for tuning in, everybody. I appreciate you guys. What is today's Wednesday? We'll be live again tomorrow morning and then tomorrow evening for the 10:30 evening stream Eastern Standard Time. So it's, yeah. So somebody made fun of Clee's name yesterday and they said Clitoris. If you get it, did you guys catch that in the stream yesterday? If you know what that name kind of sounds like. Hopefully we're not getting trolled by Clee this whole time. That she's actually who she is. No. I'm not gonna say that. But yeah, thanks everybody. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. It was a fun stream this morning. I mean, the stream was fun, but the market wasn't very fun. So, well aware. What a coincidence, eh? No.
song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice means scalping plays. Someone so early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. NQ 50 out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Funded accounts, so we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset. Just stacking up these base hits. Yeah, just stacking up these base hits. 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 Let my daughter date him. What? That's the weirdest compliment I ever got. Got bears outside, got chickens too. Trying to trade futures while they eating food. Yeah. Stack it up, don't blow the account. One bad trade and you tapping out. Patience pays, yeah, that's legit. We ain't gamblers, we just hit and quit. NQ crazy, but we adapt quick. Stop, get swept, yeah, that's that script. Stay alive, that's the real win. Then tomorrow we trade again. Alright, guys. Go base it. We'll take that. Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, missed the entry by a tick. Pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little base hits. $36, don't waste it. NQ so your stops in a rip quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase.
Oh, I accidentally hit the mic off button there. I said, you guys have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow morning for market open 9:15 a.m. I said, goodbye, everybody. Love you. See ya. And then I said, bye, Clee.
Just stacking up these base hits. Got banned on X 'cause the Chuck Norris clips. Didn't know they get me hit with the blitz. Now I'm sitting here like what I do wrong. While the market keeps singing its song. Chat talking about cop deed and trades. Life advice means scalping plays. Someone so early, now they regret. Man, I should have held. Yeah, we all say that. Long one micro, keep it tight. Trail that stop, protect the night. $5 green and 30 more. We ain't greedy, we've been here before. I'm just stacking little base hits. Small wins, losses, that's it. NQ 50 out, then it dips quick. The reverses, yeah, that's
Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.
this. Funded accounts, so we thrive, kid. Slow and steady, that's the mindset.
Peace out.